Good morning, my dear children. Dear children, today we shall know the story of the conjunction although. Although, though, even though, they are of the same meanings. Children, there are two clauses, main clause and subordinate clause. Main clause gives some information in the sentence. It gives a statement, and subordinate clause 2 gives some information or gives a statement in the sentence. They are closely connected. These two clauses are associated with each other in the sentence. Well, we use the conjunction although to introduce a subordinate clause. And most of the time, this subordinate clause with the help of although make some statement which contrast the statement of the main clause which is stated by the main clause. Sometimes, although this conjunction makes the statement of the main clause seem quite unusual or unexpected. Let's get some examples. Although he is an old person, he is capable enough to do his all work alone. Although he seems quite smart and confident, he found very difficult to address the audience. So let's use this carefully. Bye. Good day.